Big wave?
Yeah. Broke my no, I didn't.
Are you okay? I did. A fish on there?
That's gonna kill me, man. There's a little dip right here.
I know. Golly.
I thought we lost him.
I did too. I thought you was in the
I
water.
thought I was a goner too, man.
If you didn't put your foot down.
That was on camera too.
Thank God. That was the best part of the whole deal.
Dude, I stepped right off this thing right here and I thought I was down there.
Yeah.
Golly.
Didn't I almost fall because of that yesterday? God.
I've never seen someone come back close to falling off the boat.
I thought you was in the water.
I thought for sure. I was already getting ready to go out in the water, like, go help him back in.
I really thought you was in the water.
I was expecting
I was
a
like,
shock
he's
in the
a
cold
goner.
water, man.
Golly.
He's a goner. I was about to show you where the ladder is at.
Dude, that fish hit me. I mean, just fumbled this thing.
Yeah.
And I'm almost get closer to you.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Take you in with me.
I was just trying to get out of the way.
I had enough time to look at him.
Your eyes were bigger than mine, I think.
Yeah. I figured all those rods were broke and everything.
I thought I broke that rod there. I did. I don't know how I saved myself.
You literally, I watched you. You put your foot up against those. Like, I don't know how you just smash off those rods.
Yeah, I know.
Like, you put your foot up against that. That's what stopped you. Like, you just like happened to fall right there in your foot caught. Golly.
If you had gone in the water, I'd been like, ah!
Hold on.
Yeah, let me get the camera away.
All I could think about was my phone's in my pocket.
As soon as you start tripping, I said, shit, I bet his phone's in his pocket.
It would have been cool if I landed the fish.
Yeah.
Put it on the other side reeling.
Mm-hmm.
In the water. Reeled it up. In the water.
Get it! Net! Net!
You're already in the water. Just grab it.
Oh, dude. I'm going to swallow my chin back.
That's impressive you didn't.
I know.
I have never seen somebody come that close to falling in the water.
Yeah, I haven't either. Because dude, I'd already wrote you off, man. I was like, oh, he's gone. And the fall
I was getting prepared to help him back in.
Oh man, the fall in was gonna be hilarious because you were just going straight backwards, like helpless. Like,
Oh, please.
oh no!
I just looked up at you and your eyes were like this big
Oh, my
around.
God.
I didn't know what to think. There's nothing I can do.
Oh, shit. I keep getting over there, man.
So there's still hope. Uh-oh. Ready? Is that camera on?
Yeah.
That's good.
Camera is on?
Yeah.
Look how fat they are, man.
Huh? Yeah.
Look
Look how fat.
It's a nice one though.
Yeah.
How
Look
fat
how fat
it
the dude is.
I'll take that all day. Fishy! First one in an hour. That must land on his head.
You should. Uh-oh.
There he is. Yeah.
Hold on, having him there.
Gone off the bank. No,
Good one?
they're not on the bank.
No?
No.
Well, that one I caught there was kind of close. Because as soon as it hit the water, he got hold of it.
I think he had it way up there.
Oh.
He just, I couldn't feel it.
Looked like you hooked him about halfway through.
Wow, that's where I set into him. I couldn't tell if I had him. I had one a second ago too. I just wasn't sure. He was wanting it though. That's he bit twice.
Well, you gotta get luck. I mean, all that is luck anyway.
Yeah.
Catching a 7 or 8 pounder, you know.
Big bait.
But I didn't think it was a fish.
There's a good one. Well, I said it was. Well, he stayed down pretty good. I thought it was a good one.
It's not a giant, but Damon has one too.
Bigger than Jesse's.
Hey, I'm gonna throw mine back in the water.
Hey, I'm back on the board.
We got a double. Got a twofer. 2 for 1 special.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up there and show them both.
There you go.
I thought you was wanting to show them both together.
I was going to, but I was sick of holding him. Oh, yeah. Good one.
Fatty. That one, he first bit, man, he went down and it felt like a good fish.
He's solid.
He's a lot bigger than I thought when I was on the water.
You see it pull my pole in? Yeah. He pulled me the other way though.
They're still in here, just switch banks on us.
I thought this is what the bank started at.
Well, I mean, this one.
Oh.
I didn't even know that fish was there. He just was took off with
that
it.
one mine bite.
I thought it was off the bank.
I was about to reel mine in. Actually, I think that's what I started doing, and I noticed there's something wasn't right. Here's your flurry again. I have to wait 30 minutes for the next one. Golly, I was not paying a bit of attention.
How far off the thing to do?
Just kind of up in them. Not a bad one. Not a bad one.
Give it the beans!
What? Give it the what?
Beans!
I've never heard that.
Have you not?
Give it the what?
Give it the beans!
That was funny. Wasn't ready for that. Uh-oh. David's going, baby.
5 pounder.
Is that a good one? Oh, it is a good one. David back here fumbling.
That's how they
get a
get
hold
it
of
right
that.
there.
Yeah, that's good.
Right in the top now.
That's how the last 2 or 3 miles been.
He was back there Bill dancing, trying to get a hold of his rod.
I was thinking that fish down on y'all. Patty.
This is going to be an awkward part of the video where it's like all silent. I'm about to like play some music or something.
Oh shit. There we go. Got him? Yep.
Good one?
The fish.
Not a good one.
Oh, Hey, calm down, dude.
Huh?
Calm down, dude.
Those little ones, man, go freaking nuts.
Caught a little fish. Right off the rock. On the rocks he's making fun of.
That's some shit. That's first cast. For a new spot.
Now we know why.
Yeah.
Good one. Never
He
mind.
just deep.
It's a fish.
The fish jumped up and played.
He's strong, little bugger.
There's two we caught down through here. Oh, I just missed one bigger than shit right there. Get back in there. I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking over it.
This is kind of like a little flat right here, back in that little cubby.
Makes sense that they're here. I mean, right there's a main creek channel.
Yeah. Oh, there's one.
Get him.
Oh,
Yeah, that one, I caught him bit like 2 times.
yeah.
I went for sure on the first one. Back now.